Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's session, we just have a look that how we can handle mouse movements. Okay, mouse hover and right click or any mouse movement using action class. Okay, so we know that whatever keyboard and mouse movement, the methods are present in the action class only. Okay, so let's see today how we can handle it. Okay, so for that particular things, guys, I just choose one website like gigs. Okay, gigs for clicks. Okay, so here you can see lots of drop down was there. Okay, mouse hovers. Okay, when I go for the mouse hover only, it is showing. Okay, so let's see how we can handle it. Okay, so first of all, guys, we need to got that particular X path. Okay, so this is a course. Okay, I just the inspect here. Okay, so here, guys, I also cover in the X path how we can write the X path using context text. Okay, content text. Okay, so here you know that when I control F, okay, this particular section will open. Okay, so now we can just spy on it, the course. Okay, so I just tried. It's a div section, guys. Okay, so I will write with div only. Okay, double slash div. Okay, and for the content text, guys, the expert is like in the square bracket we have to write contents. Okay, then then one parenthesis will start. Okay, so under that we have to write text. Okay, and again open close parenthesis, then comma. Okay, then we have to specify the particular name. Okay, text name here. Okay, so our text name is courses. Okay, so write just courses. Okay, see, it's showing one of one. Okay, and after I selecting and clicking on it, it's highlighted. See, it's highlighted. Okay, so this is the correct XPath for this content using contents text. Okay, so first of all, I just taking the URL here. Okay, and going to my project. So here I have already taking on it, guys. Okay, so first of all, I just creating one class here. Okay, in this package, new and class. Okay, so mouse hover. Okay, handle. So finish. Okay, so just creating a method here, public void mouse hover. Okay, parenthesis. Okay, so first of all, guys, I need to set the property. Okay, set the property of the web driver. What are the driver I just using? Okay, I need to specify the path here. Okay, so one for that one class is there, system. Okay, system dot. I have to go for set properties. Okay, set property. This is the set property, guys. Okay, yes, it have two parameter. Okay, so first we need to specify which driver you are using. Okay, so WebDriver dot Chrome. I'm using the Chrome driver, guys. Okay, dot driver. Okay, if you are using Gecko driver or Spider, you need to just change here only. Okay, then your path, guys. Okay, so I have already stored here, guys. So right click properties. This specific project only I have already stored. Okay, So just copy it. Okay. Fine. It is put the semicolon here. Now we need to go for create that what object. We need to create for object of driver, web driver. Okay, so web driver. See, here the driver will be capital, guys. Okay, web driver. It's case sensitive, guys. Okay, so web driver equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, so capital D driver. Then open close parenthesis and semicolon. Okay, so now you have to import it. Yeah, import the Chrome driver as well. Okay, then we need to go for, let's open now to just maximize the window, guys. Okay, because when the driver will open, your Chrome browser will open, it's opening on the minimizing mode, means the screen will be like small. Okay, so we need to maximize it. Okay, so driver dot, okay, manage dot window dot maximize. Okay, so just keep all this, remember, guys. Okay, this is the command for maximize the window. Okay, then you have to go for our open your specific URL, guys. Okay, so driver dot get. Okay, this is the method for open the URL, guys. Okay, so I already, I think, copy. Let's see. No, need to go to that particular browser, guys. Okay, you have to click. It's already clicked. Okay, so copy and paste here. Okay, fine. So now you have to just go for your particular XPath, guys. Okay, you have to just go for your XPath. So we have to store that particular like this particular courses. Okay, this particular courses in a one web element, guys. Okay, so suppose to store in the web element, you need to just call this particular web element here web element. Okay, suppose that particular like variable name will be link. Okay, link, then driver dot find element. Okay, by dot xpath. Okay, because we are taking the xpath here, guys. Okay, so just copy this one. We have already written here. Copy it and paste it. Okay, then you have to just close this semicolon here. Okay, so we have to just import it, guys. Okay, so in Selenium. Okay, so now we have stored it in the link variable, guys. Okay, so now I have to go call is just specify our particular class called actions class, because all the mouse and keyboard will be in this handled by this action class only. Okay, so actions, okay, actions dot ac, okay, equal to ac is the variable name, guys. Okay, new actions. Okay, new actions. So in the bracket only, guys, we have to specify the driver here. Okay, the variable name of the web driver. Okay, driver. Okay, fine. So we have to import it. Fine. So now we have to just call this particular method, guys. Okay, that we need to handle it. Okay, so link dot c, for this related to this action class, guys. You can see the particular method will come. Okay, so you have to go for that not link guys, it's AC because this is a variable name. Okay, so go for this particular AC dot. Okay, see all this particular whatever method just available in the action class, it come click and hold. Okay, click, context click is for right click guys. Okay, double click. Okay, all this particular mouse related method guys, it's showing here. Okay, so we will go for the move to element. Okay, move to element, see this one. Okay, move to element. So here we need to define this our link here. Okay, okay, link, it's already showing this. Okay, so then dot. Okay, then build dot perform. So these two particular method get need to call to build it and perform it. Okay, to finalizing the action. Okay, then we have to, our targeting is to guys just hover on it and click this particular first one. Okay, DSA to development. Okay, so for that also guys we need to just right click on it. Okay, go to the specify whatever that. Okay, DSA to development. Okay, so here also need to change because see now inspecting on it, it's showing the anchor tag guys. Okay, anchor tag. Okay, so just changing here guys a. Okay, and need that particular DSC to development. Okay, see here you can see DSC to development. Okay, so better you write from yourself because it's going guys. Okay, so DSA to development. Something will mistake guys, just wait. Okay, this one, see now it's saying 1 and 1. Okay, so it's present the anchor tag guys. Okay, here only. Okay, so it is two here guys, two links is there. Okay, so need to just specify the array. Okay, index here. Okay, so I just using one here. Okay, right, control C. Okay, so let's try for it guys. Okay, it should work because there are two tags called DAC to development here. Okay, so just try for it guys. Okay, so need to just specify the driver dot find element here. Okay, and by dot xpath again. Okay, DAC to development here. Okay, and then dot click. Okay, not here guys, clear for clear the particular whatever text you have written. So click here. Okay, CLSC click. So here guys we just using the threaded slip here because when we go for one URL is just opening the URL, it will take some time to load. Okay, so slip. Okay, so suppose I am taking for 4 seconds. Okay, 4 seconds here. 4 milliseconds, 4000 milliseconds. Okay, so you need to just, okay. So same thing, you need to just specify rest of the link also, because sometimes it's just showing error, guys. Okay, no such element. So better you need to just to see that particular actions also, you need to just use this. Okay, so now we have to run it. Okay, so see, all codes are ready, guys. I have to run it. Okay, so if you see my previous video, guys, you know that we can run this particular methods, Java methods, using two way. Okay, first is just using your main methods. Okay, by just creating that particular object of the class and call it. Okay, and one more way is, guys, using test ng. Okay, because we are already in our Selenium already using our test ng framework. Okay, so just at the rate test annotation on it, because we can use it. Okay, we can run it. Okay, see, it's all now imported, guys. So just run it, guys. Okay, save it and run it. Okay, this is our method. So running here this our mouse hover handle class. Okay, see, now it's opening, maximizing, see it's happening or not. Yes, hovering on it and clicking on it. Okay, so now we successfully go onto the particular link here, guys. Okay, this is a DSA development link, guys. Okay, so I just showing you 1 second. We can see the result as well, guys, because it will show, see, one test case is we are running and it's passed only. Okay, so just showing you again. Okay, right click, run. Okay, hovering on it and clicking on it, guys. Okay, it's doing very fast, guys. Okay, so we have successfully run it. Okay, so for one more time, I just showing you, guys, we're using, I just adding the close method as well to close the browser. Okay, so driver dot close. Okay, so I just increasing this particular to show you, guys. Okay, 8 seconds. Okay, so is clearly what is happening behind the screen. Okay, so again I running it class. Okay, just opening the browser, maximizing it. Okay, then after 8 seconds, guys, it will hover on the courses. Okay, just wait for 8 seconds, because we have given the 8 seconds of time. Yeah, see, now it's hovering it and clicking on it, guys. Okay, so after 8 seconds also, it's closing this particular browser as well. Okay, let's wait for 8 seconds. See, now it's, okay, see, it's passed now. Okay, guys, so just do this particular exercise from your end also, guys. Okay, you have to just set property and you have to just define all the things that I have already covered in this video. Okay, so just practice from your end, guys, and just let me know if any issue. Okay, just comment me on that my in this particular video. I will definitely reach out to you guys. So do subscribe, guys. Okay, because I will add more exercise of Seleniums in the next future, guys. So keep updated while with subscribe the channel, guys. Okay, so like and subscribe from your end, guys. Okay, so keeps learning. Okay, thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video.